to Morning Sun Homestead. Today we are making venison snack sticks. Most snack sticks are made with casings, but we choose not to case ours as this is an added expense. After cutting the deer meat from the bone, the meat needs to be ground for burger. This recipe also calls for 1 pound of pork per 5 pounds of deer burger. We used bacon from our hogs and ground the side meat into burger. See our video of how quickly we grow our hogs in a very short time. Any kind of pork would work, we just choose to use bacon because of the fat content. Weigh out 5 pounds of deer burger and 1 pound of bacon or side meat, or whatever pork you have chosen to use. Mix the two meats together before adding any seasoning. The bacon's mixed with the deer burger adds fat. This helps the snack sticks to not dry out when they're being baked. It is very important to incorporate the two meats together very well. The seasonings are then added a couple or a little at a time. Mix well after each addition of spices. This makes sure that each spice is incorporated throughout all the meat and not just in a certain area. Mixing well pays off in the taste of our snack sticks. The recipe will be in the description below of all the spices that's needed for this great healthy snack. Our oven is set to 250 degrees. We use a jerky shooter to form the sticks. This product was purchased from LEM. Roll the meat into balls and drop down the canister. This is much easier than trying to stuff the entire tube.
See, we are squirting it out on the pan before we put it into the oven. Like I said, you preheat your oven to 250. We don't put ours in casings just because that's more money that we save that we can put towards other things. We'll bake these until they're good and done. And then what we do, we'll cut them into pieces that'll fit in the bags. And then we'll vacuum seal them. That way we can put them in the freezer and they'll last for whatever long time. And then homeschooling, they can be used for homeschooling snacks. Or when we go on a trip somewhere, you take a small cooler, throw a couple of these in that cooler, and you got snacks for down the road for any trip that you want to take.
The internal temperature of our venison sticks needs to be 165. We're at 155. It looks like it's ticking up there. Once it gets to be 165, that in the back is warmer. It's 167. So we're going to flip this tray so it'll be more evenly heated. And the bottom tray is what we always check first, just because the heat's at that level and they get done quicker. The ending product. They can be ate just the way they are or dipped in the sauce of your choice. We vacuum seal the bags and store in the freezer. A convenient, protein-packed, healthy snack. Thanks for watching and enjoy your homemade venison snack sticks.